Hello everyone, today we are back with another video and this time it's a mini haul by Nykaa. Well, it's not a sponsored video, but I would love to share all the products that I have purchased during the recent sale where the discounts were awesome. And the best part of the sale was that if you make your bill worth $1,200 and above, then you'll be getting a product worth $899 absolutely free. Isn't that great? Well, I'll be sharing all the links in the description box below so that you can quickly add them to your cart and place your order. So this time I was craving for shower gels and body lotions because winters are going to come and I really have dry skin. So the shower gels comes like a rescue when you have dry skin, and this will have a very nice hydrating effect on your skin as well. So I have bought a couple of shower gels. So unboxing the first box, we have a combo from Nykaa. It is a combo of a shower gel and a body lotion. You can see that the packaging is really good. They have ensured that the bottles are leakage proof. There is no leakage and they are delivered perfectly. So the first shower gel is from Nykaa Wanderlust series and the flavor is Silicon Sweet Pea. It's a recently launched flavor and trust me girls, you'll love this flavor. It just has a very mild effect and it will be there on your skin for a longer time even after your shower. And to pamper your skin more, the next thing you can do is just pat your skin dry after your shower and apply this lovely body lotion. It comes in a pumping bottle, so it is really easy. This one is Wanderlust Silicon Sweet Pea Body Lotion. It has a very good hydrating effect, especially during winters. The next is Japanese Cherry Blossom, and the last shower gel is Mediterranean Sea Salt. This is my current favorite. It has a very nice floral fruity smell. And now it's time for sheet masks. Everyone loves those Nykaa sheet masks and also the ones by Real Nature. So the first one is pomegranate. It really makes your skin firm. The second is rice. It contains all the rice extracts. And third one is avocado. And this one is my favorite. It's Lindsay. It really helps in firming your skin. The next sheet mask have honey extracts. The next one is Lotus for hydrating your skin, and the last but not the least is blueberry. So just looking at the package, you can understand how to use a sheet mask. If you turn your sheet mask, you can see the directions how to use it. It's just 1, 2 and 3 steps. Wash your face, apply the sheet mask, and ensure that all that content from the sheet mask, that hydrating lotion, that thing is absorbed nicely in your skin. Make sure you avoid contact with eyes. Let me open this pack and show you how it looks from inside. This pack is the Lindsay sheet mask, and here is an opening where you can open the sheet mask. Lindsay is a very rare mushroom which helps in hydrating your skin, and this package has all that Lindsay extracts. So when you open your package, you can see something like a wet tissue which is nicely dipped in this toner kind of liquid. It has a very good smell. So this is how you slowly open the sheet mask. Make sure you're not tearing it apart because that will cause the sheet mask split into pieces, and that's something you don't want. So here you can see that there are holes for your eyes, nose and lips. Sheet mask really works like miracle if you have dry skin. They super hydrate your skin. You can use them before makeup, after removing your makeup. So it's just like a tiny wet tissue, a wet wipe that you use, which is dipped in a nice hydrating lotion. Now comes the best part, the free product. Yes, this is the $8.99 worth free product that you get if you make your bill worth $1,200. So it is a Wonder Puff lipstick. Well, it's a chip and lick tint. This is in the shade Busy Bee. Let me open the packaging and show you how it looks from inside. I generally love the lip tints, the cheek tints, because they have a very nice texture. I used to like matte lipsticks, but during winters I prefer something which is hydrating, which has some moisturizing effect on my lips as well. So the shade is Busy Bee. Well, you don't have the option to select the shade, but you'll get this Wonder Puff lipstick. And how you use it, you have to just push it from downwards, where you have something like a pen, and when you just give a couple of pushes, you can see that the cushion at the top is filled with the lip tint, and here is a quick swatch. It's a very beautiful, nice pink. If you apply 2 or 3 more coats, then it turns into a darker red. The next product is face wash. It's again by Nykaa Naturals. This is also a recent launch from them, and trust me guys, these are really good face washes. Now coming to how to add these products to your cart and how can you see all these offers. So this is the Nykaa homepage where you can find multiple offers. If you go to the offers page, you can see all the top offers from different brands, the combo offers, and the flat discount offers, everything that they are providing. Let me go to my orders list and show you how I got this deal. So you can see that I have added all these things to my cart and just proceed for checkout, and then at the end you can see that my total bill was $12.99. that's about $1,200. So I got this product, which is generally worth $8.99, absolutely free. This free Nykaa Wonder Puff lip and cheek cushion lipstick tint. And I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.